Hey guys, how you doing? Today I got another video for you here, and it's about simple home security, or say cheap home security, and what I bought, or I should say my wife purchased today for me, so that I have a little bit more ease when I sleep at night. I don't know how many of you out there, but I sleep with the fan on at night. And unfortunately, with that fan on, I cannot hear anything in my house. Also, I think my hearing is going a little bit. At least that's what my wife says. So, I was telling my wife that I don't like the fact that I can't hear that front door open. For example, I woke up the other morning, and when I woke up, my son wasn't in the house. Turns out he had took the dog out for me, and I had no clue that he went outside. So, getting back to the fact that I can't hear anything with the fan on, she came home and surprised me with these little window and door mount security alarms, and she said that she had got them from the dollar store. Now they're very simple, they're not some high-tech, alarm. However, let me just turn it on here. Oops. Anyways, so basically what happens is you mount this one to your door jamb, this one to your door, and when you open the door, you know that door gets opened. Now, I think I will sleep a whole lot much better knowing that I will hear when my door is opened. I will be warned when that door gets opened, any door for that matter. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to install this on my door and try it out and see how it works. And I'll get back to you. Alright guys, so here we go. I'm going to install these alarms. And as you see here, it just has a simple 3M tape backing. Seems simple enough. So let's see, we'll get one up here on my door. Hope you guys are seeing this. Actually, excuse my back at the same time. Alright. There. Let's see. That's on there. Alright, same for the other one. Try to touch the back of the tape. And all right. Okay. Oh, that one doesn't sound too good. All right, so it's in there, or on there. Let's see. Now, unlock the door. And open. Oh man, that's awesome. Mama, you hear that?
Yep.
Very cool. Nice. Now, every time that door is opened, I will hear it. Ah, that makes me happy. Alright, so that was easy to install. Now I got 3 more to install. They just run off of these little alkaline 1.5 volt batteries here. Just 3 of them. Very simple. And that was pretty loud. I don't know if you can judge how loud that was by the video. But I am more than satisfied with that. And like I said, it's so cheap. It only cost, she paid $1 for one, And that will make me feel a whole lot better. So anyways, it's just a little video on cheap security, you know, being alert, knowing what's going on in your home, especially for the ones that are losing their hearing like I am. It's probably all the years of jackhammering I've done. Anyways, so yeah, cheap, easy, very simple, and I didn't do it on camera, but you have about, you know, a good 1/4 inch of play. Oh, not even in frame here. You know, about a good 1/4 inch of play here to while you're installing these. That is very cool. I like that. That makes me, that's real cool. Anyways, that's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, I appreciate your comments. Good or bad. Subscribe. And as always, enjoy your tea or coffee and take care.